Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Chris, and welcome to Path to Wellness. This is just going to be a quick video. It's an announcement about next week's challenge, which is going to be a 7-day intermittent fasting challenge, and it's going to start on Monday. So I've decided I'm going to be doing these weekly challenges on health and wellness, and next week I want to do a challenge on intermittent fasting, which is something I practice regularly, and I've been practicing this for around 4 years, so I'm very experienced. And the way this is going to work is you can do any type of intermittent fasting that you want to do for the 7 days. So whether that's 1 meal a day, 2 meals, an 8-hour eating window, a 5-hour eating window, it doesn't really matter, however you want to do it. There's no restriction on food or how much you eat or anything like that. And the only thing is, in my opinion, for this challenge, for it to qualify for intermittent fasting, you need to eat within an 8-hour window every day and fast for 16 hours. So it doesn't really matter what the time frame is or when you eat or how much, but it just has to at least be a 16-hour daily fast with an 8-hour eating window. So I'm going to be varying it up a little bit depending on what day, but I might do the 16-8, I might do 1 meal, I might do 2 meals in 4 or 5 hours. It's just going to vary, so I'm going to be varying it up and showing you different ways to do intermittent fasting because I practice different ways depending on my routine. But so that's pretty much it. If you want to see more videos on intermittent fasting, definitely subscribe to the channel. Give a thumbs up if you like this, and we'll be seeing you on Monday for the start of that challenge. Have a great day, everyone.